What's going on, guys? Master T here. If you're watching this on YouTube, Terrence, if you're watching on Facebook, of course. Got this package here we're gonna do an unboxing for. Well, I mean, this box has already been opened, but that's because there was another one. So this here is the box that 7Driver MH380 comes in. Well, two of them anyway. You see, it's got all the extra cardboard and everything for making sure it's safe when it comes in. There we go. 7Driver audio. Made in Brazil. It's MH380, 380 watts RMS, not peak. This is a 8 ohm speaker. And the website is 7driver.com.br. Give me a second because they make sure this box doesn't come open. So let me open this. Alright, just basically needed to get the tape off. Alright, as you can see, very well packaged. Very well packaged. Now you're probably wondering, well, this is an 8. Now mind you, this isn't an 8-inch subwoofer. This is an 8-inch mid, like for your doors. Like these. Look at this. Look at this. Here, before I really get it out, show you guys. So this is what the manual looks like. Obviously everything's in Portuguese. Comes from Brazil. You can see specs and everything. Now I know you guys can't read Portuguese, but at the very least you can see the numbers and you can kind of put two and two together, figure out what's what. They also have the manufacturer's date. I'm not gonna show the manufacturer's date, but they have that, like the exact date it was manufactured on the owner's manual. All right, now let's get this bad boy open, shall we? Look at this. This is a mid. This is a mid for your doors. Or your trunk lid, if that's what you want to do. You know, do a build in the trunk lid. Center console. These will go great in a center console. Actually, if you've got something like a Yukon or an Explorer or something, they've got stuff bigger than this. That would be marvelous in a center console. So Explorer guys, pickup truck guys, look at this. Look at that. 8 ohm MH380. And that's I believe it's 3.5 inch voice coil. 3 to 3.5 inch voice coil on a mid. Push terminals. Alright, now to give you guys something to compare it to. Alright, so this here is a factory Ford 6x8. 4 ohm, 25 watts RMS. If you've got a Crown Vic, Grand Marquis, Town Car, Marauder, you know, whatever other Fords have 6x8s. This is what it looks like. See that? That's what it looks like. This here is the Crossfire, also a great company, of course, obviously. You guys do know, those are the subs I run. Crossfire C5 693. This is a C5 6x9. 150 watts max, so 75 watts RMS. So you got those, obviously, but then you got, this thing isn't light at all. Look at that. That goes in the door, that goes in the door, that goes in the door. Look at this. In fact, let me slide these closer just to make them appear bigger. So these are closer to the camera now, so they're gonna appear bigger. But even then, like even with that in the back, it's still. Look at this. Look at the magnet difference in size. Okay. Oh shit. That's good. Oh damn. That's got more pull than I thought. Jesus. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Oh. That's a lot of pull. That's a lot of pull. Look at that. I can mount speaker to my speaker. It's completely, well, almost. Yeah, there we go. Completely off the ground. Completely off the ground. I have mounted my factory speaker to my 7Driver speaker. Okay. Well, this one here is obviously gonna touch the ground, but God. And of course, it's got this for cooling. Look at that. That's a work of art there. Jesus. Okay. This part of the video was not planned out, but it works all the same. Wow. God. That thing's got some power. Jeez. Well, I mean, I guess I can lift, these, but they're still kind of trying to come apart. Yeah, see? Where's... Let me try something. Alright, let's try it with this one. Obviously, this weighs more than this, clearly. So let's try this again. Oh. Alright, hold on. Oh, it's not lifting it. But it's heavy as balls either way. This thing is heavy. And then of course I've got two. One per door. The plan is to well, probably, seeing as how beefy they are and how heavy they are, I don't want to overdo it on the doors. So we'll probably do 2 per door with super tweet, maybe 2 super tweets, but definitely a super tweet, and I don't know, horn, something. I got a, what was it I ordered? A 800 point or an 800 by 4 Taramps TS 800.4 or 800 by 4 is what I will be putting these 2 on until I get more of these. But these here is all I need now for test fitting. So I'm gonna put these back the way I had them lined up. And that will conclude the unboxing video of the 7Driver Audio MH380 8-inch. And again, that website is www.7driver.com.br. Oh, and very important part of this is I am authorized to sell those. If you want any, just inbox me, whether it's YouTube or Facebook. Inbox me, comment below, whatever. Let me know if you want one, and I'll get one to you. I accept PayPal. I accept Western Union. You pay the fees. I accept Walmart to Walmart. You pay the fees. If you send me a check, I got to make sure the check clears first. No bouncing checks. Once it clears, then I'll go ahead and put in your order. So that's how that works. So inbox me for prices, people.